Way they go. One slow out. Wacky Diamond. Madam Isabel from the outside, moving up by the rally. Hershey. Galing racing in third alongside Bliss. Number 5 American Ruler. Then here comes Wacky Diamond, the favorite, taking the fifth spot and still moving up. Madam Isabel by about 2 lengths, followed by Galing. Wacky Diamond is now running in third by the row. Inside the last 600, Madam Isabel, followed by Galing on the outside. And Wacky Diamond is running in third by the row. As they race the last 500, Galing is now the leader. Wacky Diamond as they race the final corner. Galing by about 2 lengths now. Madam Isabel in second. Wacky Diamond is running in third by the row. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. Galing by about 2 lengths. Madam Isabel is running by the row. And finally, Galing. Madam Isabel, Bliss, American Ruler, Wacky Diamond, Hershey comes last.
Okay, crossing the wire first. I think only the third choice entry number